We are SunSource Energy, and we are bringing in the technology of tomorrow today. Our mission is to bring reliable solar power to commercial and industrial clients and consumers, and we are constantly striving to fill this energy gap in this market for reliable, predictably priced electricity.
At SunSource Energy, we are committed to providing services which are cost-effective and follow global standards. I firmly believe that what sets us apart from the competition is a commitment to quality and building 25-year solar assets, ensuring that our clients have complete trust that their investments will work for them.
We bring to bear our decades of experience in the American solar energy market to help our consumers lower their cost of energy. Our client list varies from some of the biggest names in global solar energy to factories of auto and drug manufacturers, schools and universities, car dealerships, malls, and even hospitals and resorts. We are also diversifying into markets in Southeast Asia and Africa.
I've had the pleasure of working with SunSource Energy over a number of projects. They're always very thorough. They do their homework before they come on the ground for the actual implementation. The operations and maintenance of SunSource Energy has always been their strength. The output has been steady and has always exceeded our estimates.
Our goal is to lower the cost of energy for you, our commercial and industrial clients. We do this by building great solar assets and delivering innovative custom solutions to you at the right price. Our brand promise is to provide global standards of service to you and build a piece of infrastructure that will hold value in the long term. To make your life as an asset owner easier, we back up our high-quality solar project design and execution with multiple forms of financing support, robust customer service, operation and maintenance.
We offer two forms of financing to our clients. In the first model, we bring investments and build your solar plant. This means you buy cheaper power from your own premises without any investment. In the second model, you invest in and buy your own solar power plant. The asset belongs to you and you get the full use of the power generated and keep 100% of the benefits.
We have grown 500% year on year since 2010. With the Indian market poised to touch newer heights in the future, we continue to foresee very high growth in the coming years. Our Indian footprint already extends in more than a dozen states across diverse segments. This growth complements the national objectives of reaching 100 gigawatts of solar power by 2022, including 40 gigawatts of rooftops. Throughout our journey from the US to India, we at SunSource Energy have believed in energizing businesses and communities by being solar to the core.
With the solar market still in its early days but expanding quickly, we find it imperative to maintain high quality benchmarks. We use the very best components, designed right and executed right. We provide our consumers with a complete value for money solution. The face of Indian economy is changing, and with it, we are changing the rules of how you fuel your business. We are here with the fuel of the future, a renewable, clean energy source that not only delivers today, but for a long, long time to come. Most importantly, we ensure that when the sun rises tomorrow, so will your business with SunSource Energy.